Have you ever wondered how Google Maps knows your home, or how you can get directions from your home to any place in the world? In this video, I will show you exactly how to get directions from your home address and how to change your home location on Google Maps using a PC. First, I opened Google Chrome on my desktop. Then, I opened Google Maps. On the left side, in the search bar, my home address was already saved by default. I clicked on the home address, which was set to Los Angeles. As soon as I clicked on it, the map opened and showed the Los Angeles area. Next, I moved my mouse cursor on the map and clicked on a location to drop a pin. When I clicked on the map, a small pop-up appeared at the bottom. This pop-up showed the location name and its exact coordinates. There were two options available: Get Directions and Share Location. I clicked on Get Directions. After clicking on Get Directions, two input fields appeared in the search bar. These fields show the starting point and the destination. By default, the destination was set to my home address. You can change it anytime, but I kept home selected. Immediately, Google Maps showed a blue route line on the map. This blue line shows the complete route from the selected location to my home address. I could also see the total distance, estimated travel time, and multiple route options. Now, I will show you how to change your home address. To change the home address, I clicked on the Edit option next to Home. A new panel opened. From here, I selected a new home address. I selected Dubai, United Arab Emirates. After selecting the new address, I clicked on Save. Now, when I clicked on Home again, the map opened and showed Dubai. This confirms that my home address was successfully changed. Next, I marked a pin on Abu Dhabi by clicking on the map. After placing the pin, I clicked on Get Directions. For the destination, I selected Home. Google Maps immediately showed the route from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. The blue route line appeared on the map, along with distance, travel time, and alternate routes. This is how you can get directions from your home address, change your home location, and plan routes between any two places using Google Maps on your PC. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below for more easy tech guides.